Namaste everyone, welcome to Sudeha Yoga. Today we will practice the best fat burning series in yoga. Do you know what it is? Okay, I'll help you with a hint. It has 12 asanas and it is connected to sun. Can you guess? You might be thinking of Surya Namaskaras, right? Yes, you're absolutely correct. Surya Namaskaras, also known as Sun Salutations, is a sequence of 12 asanas which can be practiced by everyone every day. Do you know that Surya Namaskara has lot of benefits? Practicing Surya Namaskara every day can help us in improving our immune system, digestion, posture, balance and helps us in toning up all the muscles. But there are a few limitations. People with bad back, bodily weakness, wrist pain, arthritis, heart problem, high BP should not practice Surya Namaskaras. Pregnant ladies must avoid practicing Surya Namaskaras. Women during menstruation should not practice Surya Namaskaras for the first 3 days. If you are a beginner or a person who don't have any idea about Surya Namaskaras, then in this video, we will learn how to practice Surya Namaskaras. Then why late? Let's get started. First, stand erect keeping your hands in Namaskar Sthiti. Stretch your hands forward. This pose is called Hastasana. Then, give a little gap between your legs. Stretch your hands up. Slowly inhale and bend back. Keep your eyes open. This pose is called Ardha Chandrasana. Come up. Join your feet now and slowly exhale, bend forward, making a 90 degrees angle. Then go down completely and catch your ankles. Try to touch your forehead to the knees now. This pose is called Pada Hastasana. Now keep your hands down. Take your left leg back. Try to maintain your right leg in 90 degrees. Now hands forward and hands up Namaskar Sthiti. This is Ashwa Sanchalnasana. Change. Now hands forward and down. Take your right leg back now. Come to Parvatasana. Make your knees straight and push your head inside. Now bend your knees. Breathe in and breathe out. Point your toes out. Shashankasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Take your body forward. Point your toes inside. Drag your chin forward and raise your hip up. Observe your spine. Keeping your hands next to your chest, slowly inhale, come to Sarpasana. Exhale, Parvatasana now. Inhale, get your left leg forward. Hands forward and hands at Namaskar Sthiti. Ashwa Sanchalnasana. Exhale, hands down, come to Pada Hastasana. Other leg forward. Now hands forward. Hands up. Bend back Ardha Chandrasana. Exhale, hands in Namaskar Sthiti. And that's all for today. Practice the whole series of Surya Namaskaras for at least 10 to 12 rounds every day and observe the amazing changes in your body. If you have enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button, share this with your loved ones and subscribe our Sudeha Yoga channel. Namaste.